Guys, welcome to another unboxing. Say hello, baby. Say hi. I bought this from DollarPlus at Mall of Marathon for a total of 22 pieces for $72 because of the price here plus the 10% tax. See the prices? That's the usual prices. That's one Bahamian dollar is like US dollar. See? These are
open.
okay. Open. Next, open this
Go try.
Toyota's Prius Prime.
This one. Try.
This is my first time to buy Matchbox from this box.
One. Go.
First time to buy from like this. Wow, pull it. Wow, cover with paper. Wow. Throw it away. I might cut this box. I might cut the front. And then next, I think that's 2025. Listen, BMW.
What about you?
In another shop in the mall, this is being sold at $6, so I didn't buy. Alright, BMW.
What about you?
BMW.
What about you?
Alright, get it. Ay. Put it in the box. Wow! Can I see? Take a look. Can I take a look, baby? Wow, I like the color.
Blue.
Blue, that's blue. Next, Porsche Targa. I like this one.
It's open.
I like Porsche to collect Porsche and JDM cars. Alright, pull it out.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
baby.
I do which part?
Wow! Wow! The baby like it. Wow! You like that? Vroom vroom! My son collects diecast cars. Before, he likes to play with balls, but now, and stuffed animals, now cars. What is this, baby? Jeep.
Geek. A geek. What? Geek. Do you geek?
Oh. Ganun, baby, oh. Ay, ang gagana to, baby. Baby getting angry. Wow, put it in the box. Ay, double box. Double plus paper bag. Wow! What's that? That's cool. I like this. Open.
You.
It's like retro. I like this one. And then this one. Rivian, Rit.
What's open?
It's an American EV car. Take it out. Open. I like the Porsche Targa. Oh, see? 911. Blue. It's cool. We're inside the room. I like the design of this. Retro. Wow, what's that, baby? Can I take a look? Rivian. Rivian EV. Wow. Looks cool. Wow. Last. My son likes it. And then this one, last. Subaru Forester. I think it's my first time to buy Forester. Subaru.
What's open? Thank you. Alright. What's open? Open.
Open. Get it out. This one.
Daddy.
I'm not sure if I have this, but I don't think so. Wow, look at that. Ay, two. Oh, it seems that the big cars have two papers. I'm not sure. Wow, look at that. Subaru.
Boom.
It's light. Then last.
You can do that.
Wow, lots of cars.
I'm really 45.
Lots of cars.
Okay, so, okay. Let's go.
Open that. Come on. Wow. Wow, Karma. Okay. This one, you open this. I think this is 2020. See, HotWheels lots of cars. 250 in 1 year.
It's open.
Chevy, 67 Chevy C10. I don't think I have this before. Wow, you like that? Then this one, I'm not sure if I have this. I don't think so. Corvette Racer. Wow, see?
Yes, no.
Okay, this one. Dodge Dart 68 baby, compact kings.
Big blue. Big blue.
Wow. It's cool. This one looks cool too. Custom Cadillac, see? I like color blue. That's my favorite color. Looks cool. This is the highlight of what I bought today, Jeep. It's not a treasure hunt. See, there's a motorcycle baby at the back. It's cool. Wow. It seems they priced the Hot Wheel higher, 350.
It's ice. It's ice. This is ice. Ice.
Audi Avant RS. And I'm not sure if I have this, but maybe different color. And then this one, what's this? Kocheng Pagong, 1973. 2C7, 2CV. Citroen.
And
This is new for
boy.
2025. I thought this one was the Beetle. Old school car. And then this one, I like this. I only come to DollarPlus for this, but when I reach there, they have lots of stuff, new stuff. So I bought the new stuff. This one that I missed. When I came there, lots of new stuff, new stock. 1982.
Yes. Wow.
Wow, cool black car. Wow. Oh, why? Why are you putting that back? This one. What's this, baby? Fire truck. I think it has been like almost a month that I bought this many die-cast cars from the mall. Because, yeah, I started with my new job. I got tired with my new job. Wow, fire truck.
It's fire.
Blaze Blaster 3. I got busy with my new job. I work as as a
Who's this?
physical therapist in a private clinic.
Fire.
Wow, baby, look oh.
Hey, fire.
Wow,
What?
fire truck.
Hey, fire.
And then what is this? Morgan Plus 4. I think Morgan is a British company. Fire truck. Jaden likes that. Oh, Morgan Plus 4. Cool. Maybe oh. And then this one, cool. Renault Twizy. I wonder how much dollar plus mix with each sale of this. Maybe $1.50 or $2. Twizy. Oh, maybe cute though. What color? Renault Twizy. And then this one, it's cool. See? Tesla Model 3. I'm not sure if I had this, but it looks cool. I like the red. For me with cars, I like red and blue and black. That's it. And maybe gold. Maybe, Lizzie.
No. No.
Wow, this one first time I ever had a boat, speedboat, coast to coast. New for 2025. So in 2025, they have 125 models. But this is like a Matchbox. There's no brand for this. Baby, what's this, baby? Yacht. 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 And then this one, I like the color blue. Porsche Macan S. Porsche. What color, baby, this one? What is that? Boat. There's wheel, oh. It can glide.
Good.
It's like an iron. Used to iron the clothes. This one, baby. What's this? Wow, Porsche. I like Porsche. And then this one, garbage. Getting the garbage. My baby Jaden likes to throw his E to the garbage can. See? Ay, where's the garbage can? You have attached that. Put it back here. Eat. See? Baby, say bye-bye. Jaden, say bye-bye. That's all for today. We have a long video.